A network of marine protected areas, or MPAs, refers to all the different types of MPAs identified under different legislation. International legislation includes the EU Habitat Directive, which protects habitats and species on both land and sea. These sites are called special areas of conservation. Closely linked to this directive is the EU Birds Directive protecting birds. These sites are called special protected areas. Ramsar sites are wetlands of international importance. Sites of special scientific interest are land or coastal sites designated under the Wildlife and Countryside Act 1981. Marine conservation zones are sites designated in English and Welsh waters under the Marine and Coastal Access Act 2009. The Marine Act Northern Ireland 2013 extends this legislation to Northern Irish waters. In Scotland, national MPAs are known as Nature Conservation MPAs. Together, the network of sites will deliver greater benefits than individual MPAs. The last 10 years have seen a significant increase in the number of sites designated due to the introduction of legislation supporting the creation of MPAs in offshore waters. These MPAs contribute to the achievement of UK obligation under EU law and wider international agreements, and will contribute to an ecologically coherent network of well-managed marine protected areas. The UK Marine Protected Area Network has been designed based on 5 OSPAR principles illustrating the concept of ecological coherence. JNCC has conducted assessments using these principles to identify progress towards achieving an ecologically coherent network. The network has been designed to include a range of features which represent the variety of habitats and species within UK waters. All features must be represented within the network. More than one example of each feature builds in resilience to the network. MPA should also be of sufficient size to deliver conservation benefits. MPAs within the network should be well distributed, allowing for connectivity between marine systems. MPAs should be efficiently managed to ensure the protection of marine habitats and species for which they have been designed. Work has been done to identify a range of plants, animals, habitats and underwater landforms that will benefit from MPA designation. Each feature should be protected in 2 or more sites to ensure resilience and well distributed so larvae and species can move between protected areas. JNCC used results from the assessment to advise the government on gaps and shortfalls identified within the network. These need to be filled in order to best ensure we are moving towards an ecologically coherent network. Following designation, work is largely focused on setting up the management measures necessary to achieve favourable condition, as stated in the conservation objectives for the site. JNCC also undertake regular monitoring of our marine protected areas to help us understand how effective they are at protecting the habitats and species they are designed for, and to make informed decisions about how best to manage them.